electricbikeparadise.com. This is a Nakto Steady fat tire folding e-bike, and my 70-year-old wife is riding it and she loves it. This bike is amazing. You could fold it and you could put it inside your car or van. I put two in there. It fits really comfortable. She loves this bike. She says it's much safer than the Cortic I bought her before. She loves the fat tire. How you like your bike, Luisa?
I love it.
Look at her go. Wow. She just loves riding it. She loves going to the beach and she loves riding it on trails. It's got a horn too. So if people get in the way, she could honk at them and they would move out of the way. Luisa, honk your horn. Honk your horn. Look at her go. She just loves to honk that horn. Thanks for watching.
With free shipping, lowest prices guaranteed, fast delivery, and no sales tax, it's easy to see why Electric Bike Paradise is the leading electric bike retailer online. So shop our selection of e-bikes now at electricbikeparadise.com or reach us at 800-590-2738 and talk to our sales specialist available from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.